Hi there, you guys. Welcome back. Bentornati. Today we have new stuff to learn. So we're gonna learn a few gestures that we only use in Italy, and it's gonna be only with your hands. Okay, so the first one will be. Second one will be. Third one will be. And the last one, my favorite one, will be. Okay, so the first one is. Ma dai, ti prego. Non posso fare niente. Non posso fare niente. Second one will be. Me ne frego. Me ne frego. Me ne frega. Third one will be. Vatene. Vai via. Smama. And the last one, the one that I use all the time, is. Ma come? Ma che dici? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. Let me know already if you knew some of this stuff, and let me know in the comments right down below if you want to learn more or whatever you want to learn. I'm here for you guys. Have a great weekend. Ciao, ciao.